Check this out. I have this huge box to unbox for you guys. And this is from a good friend, Marisa. She's a foodie beauty, but she's also a friend. Marisa! Oh, Marisa! I really appreciate you guys wanting to send me stuff. I really do. It's actually not recreational. This is like, I need this right now. Marisa, did you mail yourself? I'm gonna be going back to bed after. Like, I'm just gonna lay down. I don't feel like talking to anybody today. First thing here I see, a gold THC 1000 milligram chocolate bar. Uh-oh. I think this, it said fragile, but something, oh, you put it in a bag. 14 grams of cheese kush. Let's see what this is. I see food and I'm starving, so that's good. Cheese. Cheese kush. Oh my god, you're so thoughtful. These are the best rolling papers. These are raw cones. I don't know if you guys know. Aww. Ah. Cute letter. Oh, I love this. This is cute. Oh my god, family size of the Shatter Bears. As you can see, I have. So, oh yes. Yes, I kissed it, okay? Amberlynn, hi! I love you more. Amberlynn, do you toke? And the olive tapenade. Oh my god. Girl, Marisa, tapenade is my favorite.
Tapenade.
That's not gonna last long. I'm not gonna be like pigging out on this or eating 200 milligrams because I don't feel good when I eat too much either, you know? Girl, it must have cost you a fortune to mail this. I got a nugget of pomegranate juice. It's expensive, like 3.5 grams. It came in like a nugget. It was like $55. Mason jars, no more baggies. Wink, wink. Anyway, you get the idea. For my stuff, don't have to use baggies. Something else here. Oh my god! I don't know if I should show this, but I love it. I love it. I know what it is. Magic mushrooms. I'm gonna use it for our live streams. I have this like gross sweat film all over my body, and especially in the back of my knees. Ugh. Look what she got us. Look at this. I know, I just bought one, but like, it's a really cheap one. Wind resistant, flexible nozzle. This one, the nozzle moves. Oh my goodness. I didn't realize it would be that small, but it's really, really potent. I cannot thank you enough for sending me this stuff. It's so thoughtful. So amazing. I like, thank you so much, Marisa. You are the bomb. Go fuck yourself. Thank you. Olive tapenade.
Tapenade. Tapenade.
Oh, I knew I smelt it. Oh my god, it smells good. Trader Joe's. We don't have a Trader Joe's here. It leaked a bit, but not much. See, it's still full. Just the juice. Oh. Babe, olive tapenade.
Tapenade. Tapenade.
And I bought crackers to eat with this, so that's gonna be a mukbang.